So if we notice with this equation here, on both sides of the equal sign, we have some simplification that we need to do. The left side, we're going to start with distributing. The right-hand side, we'll do some add-like terms. So here we go. We got 4 times negative 2x, so that's going to be negative 8x, and then we have 4 times a positive 3, and that's going to make a plus 12. Now the right-hand side, that's got some like terms that need to be added. So we only have one x term, that's the negative 13x, and then we have 2 constant terms, and those can be added, or in this case, subtracted together. So negative 3 plus 5 is the same thing as subtract 3 from 5, or 5 minus 3. So now that we have both sides cleaned up, both sides simplified, now we can go ahead and isolate the variable. So we want the variable on one side or the other. And with any of these, you can pick which side you want it on. In this case, we'll have the variables on the left side. So we're going to add 13 x's to both sides because we don't want any x's on the right side. X's on the left, numbers on the right. So adding 13 to x to both sides, we have subtract 8x from 13x's. That's going to make 5x's. We still have the plus 12 equals no more x's, no more 13x's on the right, just the 2 there. Now it's a 2-step equation. Undo the plus 12 and the times 5 with a subtract 12 to both sides. So here we have a 5x plus no more numbers equals 2 minus 12. This is going to make a negative 10. Now we undo that times 5 with a divide by 5 to both sides. 5 over 5 makes 1x, makes 1x there. Negative divided by positive is going to be negative. 10 divided by 5 is a 2, so negative 2. X equals negative 2. That's the value for x, the variable that makes the equation true. Another example for you to try. Go ahead and pause the video. Come on back, see how you did. So if we look at both sides of the equal sign, we still have some distributing, some adding like terms, some simplification that we need to do. That left side is going to be distribute. Negative 6 times 2x. It's going to make negative 12x. Negative 6 times the positive 3 will be a minus or a negative 18 equals. And now we add like terms on the right-hand side. So on the right-hand side, we do have 2x terms. So the negative 12x and the negative 2x added together is going to make negative 14x's. And then as far as constant terms, we just have the minus 8 or the negative 8 there. Now that we have both sides all cleaned up, it's time to isolate the variable, get variables on one side or the other. Now, if we want all of our variables on the left, we don't want the negative 14x's on the right. So again, x's on the left, numbers on the right. And you can switch that around too. So in this case, we would undo this negative 14x with a plus 14x to both sides. So subtract 12x from 14x, you got 2x, still got the minus 18 equals no more x's on the right, just a negative 8. 2-step equation now. Undo the minus 18 and then the multiply by 2. Start with a plus 18 to both sides. So we got 2x on the left, no more numbers, equals, subtract 8 from 18, and that gets you 10. Next up, undo this 2 here with a divide by 2 to both sides. 2 over 2 makes 1x, and 10 divided by 2 makes 5, the value for the variable that makes the equation true.